Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kulsum Noor. I am a student of first semester MPhil Microbiology. My topic of presentation is biogas production from animal manure. I prepare my presentation from this research article which had been published in 2015 in University of Turkey. This is the content of my presentation which include introduction, experimental procedure, results and discussion, conclusion, and references. Introduction. With time to time, energy sources decreases and the researcher started thinking on alternative energy sources. In this scientific era, studies on recovery and alternative energy sources have been popular. Many studies argue on a biogas production from the different type of organic waste and plants. In first study, it investigates the biogas production from the animal waste used as an alternative energy source in the laboratory. Results of first study was that 65% sorry result of first study was that 65% of methane produced at 310 Kelvin, which was most efficient for the stable continuous digestion. In a second study, the anaerobic respiration were performed by using the different cotton waste, cotton stalk, the second one is cotton seed hull, and the third one is cotton oil cake in a batch reactor. Results of a second experiment was revealed that 65, 86, 78 ml of methane were produced in 23 days from 1 gram waste in the presence of basal medium. The third study, biogas was produced from the rice husks generated from the different rice mill and cow ruminants fluid used as a source of inoculum at a laboratory level. In the fourth study, biogas production potential of different mixture of unscreened dairy manure and the food waste compared with the yield from the manure or the food waste alone. Results show that the value of methane which were 302, 228 and 241 liter per gram after 30 days of digestion. 90 to 93% biogas yield could be obtained after the 20 days of digestion, and average methane was 57, 66 and 69 respectively. This paper discusses about the experimental investigation of biogas production with the animal manure at breeding site. Experimental procedure. Anaerobic fermentation was carried out at summer season using the poultry manure and the bovine animal manure at breeding farm, which has the animal capacity about 70 cattle and 14 chickens. This experiment was performed in fermentation reaction tank which had 0.5 meter cube volume. An aerobic fermentation reaction depends on the temperature, pH value, mixing and a raw material to obtain the maximum amount of gas. So we eliminated the external negative effect like the dust, leakage, impurities and etc. Temperature and the pH value of tank was measured in 303 to 308 Kelvin and 6 to 6.6 to 7.1 pH value. Two types of animal waste, that is poultry and bovine animal manure, were used as a raw material. In a first experimentation, the bovine manure about 175 kg was mixed with the water, 175 ml of water. Then it was filled to a tank. It takes 20 days. In a second experimentation, the poultry manure 50 kg was mixed with water 325 ml and filled the tank. Then the reaction starts. Results and discussion. Experimentation were carried out at a farm which include 1400 chicken and 70 cattle in a summer condition to provide the optimum fermentation reaction conditions. According to the results of separate fermentation reaction, experimentation of the poultry and bovine manure in 0.5 meter cube fermentation tank orderly about 0.83 meter cube and 6.33 meter cube biogas was obtained. About 47.5 kg, 147 kg higher quality fertilizer was formed at the end of fermentation reaction. Conclusion: by the fermentation reaction of animal waste manure, an alternative energy source biogas, which has the lower heating value of 21,000 kg per meter cube, is about daily 0.83 meter cube and 6.33 meter cube biogas was obtained, and the uses of this energy source instead of natural gas, which has the lower heating value, that is 35,000 kg per meter cube, is about 0.35 meter cube. Saving the potential was determined. Biogas usage to produce the electricity means the recovery of the waste energy to the economy. High quality fertilizer was formed at the end of the reaction, which act as a beneficial product to the farming. This is all my presentation. Thank you.